Hello and welcome to my handcrafted corner. Today we are going to make this beautiful crochet coaster that has this nice edge worked with a puff stitch. And this is how it looks on the back. Let's get started. For this project we are going to use a 3mm hook. And we will start our work with a magic ring. We will first chain 1, then go into the ring and make 1 single crochet. Then we will go into the first loop of the single crochet. This is the first one, this is the second one, and we will go into the first one and make a second single crochet. And this combination of stitches will count as our first double crochet. Next we will make a double crochet. For this we have to yarn over once, go into the ring, grab the yarn, pull it through and make a loop. Grab the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, grab the yarn and pull it through the remaining 2. And we have here a double crochet, the second one from this first round. We will continue to work double crochets until we have 12, together with this first combination of stitches. I have now 12 double crochets, including this first combination of stitches from the beginning. And now we will close the ring by pulling the yarn, and we will join the work. We will go from the back of the work with our hook in this first stitch, and slip stitch this last stitch. Chain 1 to secure the work, and we can cut the yarn because we will join another one. With our second color, we will first make a slip knot, and then we can start from any of these spaces between the double crochets. So not in the stitches on top of them, but in these spaces. And we will start by working 1 double crochet. We can start anywhere. And for this we have to yarn over 1 time and place the finger like this in order to keep both loops on our hook. And we will make 1 double crochet, so this is our first double crochet for this second round. We will continue to make 1 more in the same space, and this will be our repeat for this second round. So in each space between 2 double crochets we will work 2 double crochets. So we go into the next space and work 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, the same to the next space, we work a set of 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and we will continue to work in this same way until we reach here at the end of this round. We have completed 3 repeats and we have to make 9 more repeats of 2 double crochets. I am now at the end of this round. I have completed my 12 repeats, which means we have now 24 double crochets on this second round. It is time to join the work, and we will do it in the same way. From the back of the work, we will go in this first stitch and slip stitch this last stitch. Chain 1 to secure the work, and we will cut this yarn and join the first color. We will first make a slip knot, and we will start our third round. We can start it from any of these spaces between 2 double crochets from the set of 2 double crochets. So here, so not between 2 sets of 2 double crochets. So we will start here by working 1 double crochet in the same way between 2 double crochets in this space, not in the stitch corresponding to the double crochets. We will work a second one here in the same space. Then we will go into the next space between these 2 sets of 2 double crochets. And this will be our repeat for this second round. So we will go into the next space here between 2 double crochets and work 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. And into the next space between 2 sets of 2 double crochets. And we will continue to make this repeat until we get here at the end of the round. And by the end of the round, we should have an increase of 12 stitches, which means we should have 36 double crochets. I have completed my 12 repeats and I have now 36 double crochets on this third round, and we will join the work again from the back of the work with slip stitch and chain 1 to secure the work, and join the light color again. We will first make a slip knot, and we can start again from any of these sets of 2 double crochets in the middle between 2 double crochets here, and we will start by working 2 double crochets. 1 Next we will go in the next two spaces between two double crochets, and we will work in each of these spaces one double crochet, one, and in the next space the second one, and this will be our repeat for this fourth round. So we will always work into this set of two double crochets in the middle between these two stitches, another set of two double crochets, and in the other spaces between two double crochets we will work only one double crochet. Let's do this repeat one more time. So into the next one, since we have a set of two double crochets, we will work two double crochets in the same space, and in the next two spaces only one double crochet in each space. And we will do this repeat 10 more times. We have completed it 2 times so far, and we will meet here at the end of this round. Again, on this round we will increase by 12 stitches, which means that we will have 48 double crochets at the end of this round. I have completed the fourth round, and I have joined the work in the same way as we did on our previous rounds. And we will start now working on our last round, which is also the edge round. We will first make a slip knot, and with our contrasting color we can go now in any of these stitches that we have created on our previous round, and we will start by making 4 loops. I will start here and grab the yarn, pull it through and make a loop. 1, yarn over first and make the second loop, yarn over, make the third loop, yarn over, and work the fourth loop. Now we will grab the yarn and pull it through all loops, and next we will chain 2, 1, 2, and this will be our repeat for this last round. And we will go with our work, instead of going into the left side as we usually crochet, we will go on the right side and we will skip 1 stitch and work the same puff stitch here in the second stitch. So 1 loop, 2, 3, and 4. Grab the yarn and pull it through all loops and chain 1, 2. Again, skip 1 stitch, go into the second one and make 1 loop, 2, 3, and 4. And chain 2. Again, we will skip the next stitch and work into the second one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have on our hook 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 loops. There are 4 long loops and 4 other normal loops from the yarn overs. And we will pull the yarn through all these loops and chain 2. We will continue to make this repeat until we get here at the end of the round, and we will meet here at the end. I am almost at the end of this last round. I have to make one more puff stitch, so we will skip this stitch and go into the second one, and here we will make the last puff stitch. Chain 2, and we can now cut the yarn and join the work. We will join it in this way. We will go on the back of the work, in the middle of this puff stitch, through these loops, and grab this yarn and pull it through. We will make here a knot to secure the work, and then we will hide these threads under the next puff stitches through these loops. I will go through one more to hide them. And now I can cut. And this is our final project. This is our coaster. This is how it looks on the back. Happy crocheting!